For this problem, we are comparing 20% to 2/100ths. Remember, whenever you're comparing any values, they need to speak the same language. In other words, they need the same units. So since I have a percentage and a decimal, I need to pick whether I'm going to compare these as percentages or whether I'm going to compare these as decimals. For this example, I'll do both just so that we see both of these. When you're doing your work later, you guys get to pick which one you'd like. So let's start with a percent. I have 20% versus my 2/100ths. I know that 2/100ths is like having 2 out of 100. And if I have 2 out of 100, that's like having 2%. So when I think about 20% versus 2%, 20 is a much larger number than 2%. 20% is greater than 2%. Now let's solve this as a decimal. Again, I'm starting with 20%. 20% is like having 20 out of 100. If I have 20/100ths, I can write this as the decimal number 20/100ths. When I'm comparing 20/100ths versus 2/100ths, think about it in your head. Would you rather have 20 or 2? 20/100ths is a larger number than 2/100ths. Again, we get the same answer. We're not changing the value of any of these numbers. We're just changing how the units are. So maybe we're solving as percent, maybe we're solving as fraction, maybe we're solving as decimal. All of these are equivalent to each other. We're not changing the actual value.